In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on high efficiency settings on your Samsung camera. High efficiency settings can help you save space on your phone by reducing the file size of your photos and videos. To turn on high efficiency, follow these steps. Open the camera app on your Samsung phone. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Advanced Picture Options. Toggle the switch next to High Efficiency Pictures. Once High Efficiency Pictures is enabled, your photos and videos will be saved in a new format that takes up less space on your phone. Take note that High Efficiency Pictures may slightly reduce the quality of your photos and videos. However, the difference is usually not noticeable. Also, High Efficiency Pictures are not compatible with all apps. If you have any problems opening your photos or videos in another app, you can disable High Efficiency Pictures in the camera app settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!